Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I created this trial balance that is 48 lines long from an entire year's worth of transactions, approximately 2,000 lines long, by using remove duplicates. But before I get into that, go down here to the right hand corner and click on the subscribe button and make sure you watch the rest of our videos after you watch this video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. So what we have is we have a couple columns. We have date, financial statement, account number, account name, and amount. And basically this is an entire year's worth of transactions. You might have gotten this from a client or an accounting ledger or something like that, some system. But this is how the information comes out. So what we want to do is we want to summarize all of this so that we can create a trial balance for the entire year. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to summarize basically all these transactions into balance sheet and by account. So the first step that we're going to do is we're just going to select all of the columns that have the information we want it summarized by. So go ahead and select that, and you just got to make sure that you select every single one of them. And just about got it. Oh, still going. There we go. Okay, so just go ahead and hit Control C there to copy it. And then we're just going to add a new tab. This is going to be the summary tab. Or we'll just name it trial balance. So then what we want to do here is we'll go ahead and put it in row 2, but just paste the information in here. So everything is highlighted here. So what we want to do then is we want to get rid of all the duplicate accounts, because we want to just have it summarized by account, so we don't want to have any more duplicates. So the way to do that is you come over here to the data tab in the ribbon and you click on remove duplicates. So right now it's saying to delete duplicate values, enter one or more of the columns. So you can select just one column. So if we were to just select column A, it would just only show us balance sheet or income statement. But what we want to do is and let's just do that real quick to see what it looks like. So we'll select column A, hit OK. So you can see there that it leaves just one balance sheet, one income statement. Probably comes to the first instance of the account number and first instance of the account number for income statement, and that's kind of how it summarizes it. But we want to have everything at the account level. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Go over here to remove duplicates, and I want to use all three of these criteria. So it's going to look at all three of these columns and say it's going to remove the duplicates, and it's got to meet all three criteria, balance sheet or income statement, and then it's going to get rid of all the duplicates in the account number, and it has to meet all three of them. So go ahead and click OK there. Alright, so we have 49 values remaining. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stretch these columns out here so we can see what we're looking at. So we basically have summarized everything. I'm going to get rid of the NA here, just so we don't use that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a sort on this. Try to put things in order real quick. So I'm going to sort by column A, then by column B. Smallest to largest sounds good to me. Okay. So now we have all the balance sheet, all the income statement. And so now what I want to do is I want to pull all these numbers in. So if you haven't seen my SumIfs video, I'll put the video at the end of this video, and you can click on it. But we're just going to go here and go equals SumIfs, and we're going to put the sum range in, which is going to come from this sheet. go ahead and stop there, and then I'll just edit it up here. So E2. So here I'm going to go do the criteria range, which is going to be the account number range. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to push F4 to lock those in place, make it an absolute reference, make these an absolute reference, and then here is going to be the criteria, which is going to be the account number. I'll close the parentheses there. So you can see there that it added up everything that is the account number, and double click that. So that is all the account information, and our trial balance is summarized. So just check here, make sure it balances out to 0, and it does. So that is how the remove duplicates works, and a good example of when it can be used. Basically we took everything from here, which is 2,000 some lines long, condensed it down to a trial balance that is 48 lines long. Might be useful for you. So that's how it works, and we will see you all next time.